Hey guys, it's E here with 25K Trading. I just want to give you guys a quick update on my NASDAQ charts. So here on the NASDAQ, we see a 30-year plus charts. And what do we see here? We see a peak here in 2000, the dot-com bubble crash. So that was around 4,800, and we didn't breach that level. We didn't get to that high until 2016, when we had a huge short squeeze to the upside. Right now, we reached 9K, almost got to 10K, and of all of a sudden, it dropped to 8.461. So what happened in the last few days? Well, last month in January, we printed this lovely reversal candle here. Wicks to the top side, right? We see a lot of wicks here going to upside. That means the price went up and then it was pushed back down. Why is that important to us? Because it essentially shows us there's a level that there's pressure that's coming in as sells. Why is this important to us again? Because in the past, as I zoom in here, you'll see after we get one of these reversal candles, we'll have another candle, but you'll see the next candle is almost like a hammer. Hammers can only occur at the bottom of trends, but with these long wicks, they essentially say, hey, the price wants to fall down. It was seen as a bargain and people bought. You can see here in 2015 and 16 as well. The red candles essentially have long wicks to the bottom side, almost no wicks to the upside. So why are we different here, right? Well, we have a huge wick to the upside. That means the price went up, got pushed all the way down. And this is an enormous candle too. It's a pretty big sell volume, right? You heard it was the biggest selling action ever on the Dow, right, point wise. So it was not just a casual, bear day. It was a big sell off. And the reason why I showed you the example in the beginning was to show you that what things can go up, they can also come down. It might take a long time to get back where it was. In terms of trading, this is the monthly chart. It takes a long time for the month to close, a lot of trading days in between. So what do we do from here, right? So we took the signals here to sell, and I have two levels, 6,000 and 9,000. 6,000 is pretty much the lows of the trade war in 2018, 2019. That's where I'm looking. If this market continues to trend down, that's where I'm going, right? We have a triangle right here that broke to the down. That's going to break or breaking to the downside, right, on the monthly. And this is very well supported by the MACD, which shows us a very bearish divergence here on the bottom. Right, we have MACD going down, we have price going down. Price going up. So this is what's giving us this divergence. So I think that if you were to be bears and say, hey, I agree with you, E, I think 6K is where we could go, I think that a bounce back up to 9K wouldn't be unreasonable. In matter of fact, we could possibly poke up above 9K. However, a sustained hold above 9K means the market will only go higher. However, I am betting that the market goes lower from here. I think the market will go to 6K. 6K is a relatively strong support, and I think it will hold there for another big bounce. So, this is all based on what I feel like. 11 years long bull run. A fundamentalist will be pulling their hair out for the last few years, saying, you can just make numbers larger, right? Essentially, more valuable, right? Whatever. But the price doesn't lie, and the price is coming down here. Again, short side, be wary that big pops can come. But as a trader, we're saying this is where the price is going to go. And I think it's going to go to 6K before we make new highs. So good luck to everyone tomorrow. I'll post a few charts in the morning, updating everyone on what the market looks like. I mean, it popped up tonight, but let's see if that'll hold tomorrow. I think a lot of people still haven't had the chance to sell out. The sellout was so fast. It occurred out within a week, right? Bear markets are like that. It occurs real fast. Bull markets are real long. I'm not as excited as the short side as I am ready for the long side in terms of me rebuying the securities that I sold in preparation for this bear market. Hopefully it doesn't get too bear and a lot of things do get reset, but maybe cheap enough for us to get some good price points. So that's me signing off for tonight. Any questions you guys have, just throw them to me on my YouTube video. or you can ask me online too as well on Twitter and StockTwits. Good night.